Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making pure maple fudge. Here we go. Alright, the first thing we're going to need is an 8x8 square pan, or you can use a loaf pan if you like. We're going to line the pan with parchment paper so it's easy to get out. We're going to use a large pot for this. You'll see why in a couple minutes. Okay, we're going to measure out 2 cups of pure maple syrup. We're going to put that in the pot over medium heat. Okay, we're gonna simmer that over medium heat for about 5 minutes. That's very important not to multitask, as this can get away from you real fast. After 5 minutes, we're gonna pour in 1 cup of 35% cream. Do not stir the mixture and bring it back to a boil. The reason we wanted a large pot for this is because it can boil over very easily. Okay, now we're gonna add our candy thermometer. And we're going to simmer that till it reaches 236 degrees Fahrenheit on the candy thermometer. It should take about 30 minutes if you're using store-bought maple syrup. However, I was using maple syrup from the farm, which is a lot thinner and takes a lot longer. Mine took about an hour. Now you have to watch this very closely, as it can bubble up over the sides of the pot and make a huge mess. We're going to measure out 42 grams of unsalted butter. That's 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to remove the pot from the heat and drop in the butter. We're still not stirring. And we're going to let that rest for 8 minutes. Okay, after that, very carefully pour that into a large bowl. Then we're going to mix that with our electric mixer on medium speed until it starts to lose its shine and thickens up. Then we're going to pour that into our prepared pan and put that in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours until it's completely set. Then lift the fudge from the pan and cut it into very small pieces. This is very rich fudge, so you're going to want to eat it in very small pieces. You could store that in an airtight container in the fridge for about a week, or in the freezer will keep for a few weeks. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.